How did you even put that all in your mouth? Talent.
Alright, we are ready to rock and roll. Ready for some 돼지국밥? 돼지? 돼지국밥? Ready to some Busan style brunch. Late breakfast. Oh, sorry. Say hello. Hello. Ah, this I don't like this mirror because it makes me look like really wide and fat.
Don't give up on me. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't you give up on me. Don't you give up on me.
So we came to 돼지국밥 restaurant. It's more like a Korean style of tonkotsu ramen broth. They're thinking like that milky pork bone broth.
Without the ramen.
Without the ramen, this is
good.
it's with the rice, the milky, silky, velvety pork bone broth soup.
And one of my favorite ramens is the tonkotsu ramen. I'm really, I know it doesn't look like I'm that excited, but I am excited.
Oh, look at that. Yes. 네. We ordered the boiled pork and the sundae mixture as a plate. Oh, looks so good. So excited.
Chopsticks, please. Oh, the kimchi looks delicious.
Put only the amount that you will eat. Don't put too much at first
And waste.
and waste it. And just don't do it. It's not a good manner. You know what I mean?
Little bit.
And just put it more as you go. MSG. You want some MSG?
No, thank you.
Oh, usually it's a lot more creamier than this.
It's okay. It's
I think it's their different style.
yeah.
So wherever you go, it's a little different.
Put a little-
But smells still really good though.
So what do you want to try first? You want to try
Let's
this
try
since
the
it's sitting?
soup first. The
Okay.
soup. Oh. I like it.
That's really good.
Ooh.
So
It's actually the light flavor. Not as heavy, but has more than enough flavor to make you go, ah.
it's got a good depth of flavor.
Yeah. It's really good. So if you want to, go ahead and add more from it to the shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and add not too much.
Put it in that stone pot where it's boiling when it comes out, which is really good because it keeps
so
it hot
good.
for a long time.
Oh my god. I'm gonna try the sundae. I think that this is the sauce or something.
Really?
It's a vinegar.
Ah, for the pork.
Maybe this vinegar is the dipping sauce, so I'm gonna. 이거 식초 순대 찍어 먹는 거예요? Yeah. Yeah.
Is that how you're supposed to eat it?
It's the first time. I never seen something like that. That's why. Dip in the vinegar. Let's 짠.
It's good.
Sundae is Korean blood sausage. It's like the black pudding from the British food. Some sweet rice, glass noodles, pork blood, and some vegetable like a green onion, carrots, and chive, and things like that. Try the pork now. I just dipping in the soup, so it will warmed up again.
Oh yeah, different soup. So tender.
Oh my god, that pork is so good.
That is really good. So we got some pork and some pork belly, right?
That's mostly, I think, a pork shoulder.
So
Spice pepper. Oh. The soup is definitely has amazing pork flavor. It's really flavorful, really nice and savory, right? It has a lot of chive to give it the color and the mild onion flavor and give a little texture as well to the soup. And bunch of pork pieces here. Like I
There's
can
a
eat
lot.
every bite with the pork piece.
yeah, that's a ton.
Oh my god. Sounds so good. This is so good. 깍두기 on it. Normally this type of food in Korea, it tastes better with good kimchi too. So good, huh?
No, it's really good. Because it's a little sour and spicy and the crunch. And the soup's still really hot, so it's a little cool, so it kind of helps out a little bit too.
Now I'm gonna put sundae into the soup.
It's so good with this rice in the soup too. The rice absorbs all the flavor in the broth. Oh, it's delicious. Yeah, it was really good.
A little piece of kimchi with the pork.
That's a big bite. Who's gonna eat that bite?
Me.
Chin-chin?
Of course.
Oh my gosh. How did you even put that all in your mouth? Talent.
They actually have some like ears, pig ears.
Actually, the pig ear, probably one of my favorite parts.
Really?
Yeah, the texture and the taste and everything, it's really delicious. But that kind of surprised me whenever I started seeing, because there's some other organs. I don't know if it's part of like the liver or sometimes like even the lung comes with this type of like a meal or dish. It's like all parts of like
Heart, tongue, lung.
feet. So I'm glad I've allowed myself to eat those things.
But you never said it's gross though.
I was thinking it.
Oh, but you just never said it out. So you thought I was eating gross food when we were dating? Truth coming out.
When you're like, ooh, let's go get some blood sausage. Yeah, because I'm singing cheeseburger or pizza. You're talking about blood sausage. Definitely a brunch because it's like breakfast and lunch. Like most people, it's because of timing. We're doing it because it's that amount of food. Like we're not even gonna have to eat until like dinner time. But we're gonna eat before then. You know that, right?
Try sundae with 쌈장. This is Busan style though.
What?
Dipping sundae in 쌈장 instead of salt. Salt is Seoul style. 쌈장 is Busan style.
It's okay.
By the way, I switched my lip tint back to Tony Moly again because I've been using Misha, other brands too. I know this is totally off topic, but you guys always ask me what kind of lip tint or lip gloss or lipstick I'm using because it never goes away. It's a Tony Moly. Well, thank you so much for watching us, guys, for this 돼지국밥 in Busan.
Tweji soup rice.
There you are right. Good job today. And we are going to heading into different city, have some adventure time. We're gonna have so much fun. If you loved this 돼지국밥 video and enjoyed it and got hungry, then give us a thumbs up. And subscribe my channel if you haven't. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.